Welcome back. Previous lesson I explained to you how to import objects, so we are here. Just to give you a recap, let me delete this object and re-import it. Okay, I'll click on delete on my keyboard, and then you can see when this object is highlighted, it is also highlighted here. I'll click on delete. Alright, so I'm going to come here, file, place embedded. Alright, then click on place. We have different ways of importing objects to Photoshop canvas. Okay, I'm going to be showing the second way of importing objects. Okay, let me first of all delete this one so that you understand what I'm saying. So what you have to do is click on the image, drag it on top of this icon, then take it to your canvas and place it there. Hit enter on your keyboard. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. Click on the image, drag it, and on top of your icon, Photoshop icon, I have not released my hand, I'm still holding it, then drag it and put it on the canvas. So this is the second way of importing image to your canvas. Okay, so on this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to trim an image. Okay, so we are going to be trimming this image. Let me increase it. I'll click on shift on my keyboard and click and drag, then hit enter on my keyboard. Okay, so we are going to be cutting this image or trimming this image. There are different methods or different ways of trimming pictures. Okay, like about 3 to 4 different methods of trimming pictures. Okay, some are faster while some are slower. You have to take your time. So on this kind of image, I'm going to be using a tool that will enable me to trim the entire the background, to trim it off within seconds. Okay, and I will also show you the other way of trimming image depending on the kind of background your image has. All right, like this background, you can see that it has a separate color from the color of the clothes, color of these cartoons, you understand? So you can easily select this background and cut it off. That is why we are going to be making use of this tool. Let me show you here. When you click on this little arrow here beside it, it will pop up other tools for you, including others here. You can try them. So all these, there are other tools that you use. Okay, so here I'm going to be clicking here. I'm going to make use of my magic wand tool to trim this picture. So I'll click on magic wand tool. Then what I will do now is to click on this background. Click on this background. I'll click it. It will automatically select the entire background for me. Okay, then I'll click on shift on my keyboard. Then I'll click on this background, this space here, to select this one too. Here, that is it. Very easy. Okay, so the next thing for me to do is to right click. I'll click on further, then I will type 1 here, then I will click on OK. That is it. So the next thing for me to do is to hit on delete on my keyboard to take off the background. Okay, it says could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. Thank God it pops up this. So If you encounter this while trimming, just click on OK and come to your image here on your layer panel. Right click your image, then click on rasterize layer. So after that, then you can click on delete. You can see the background has disappeared. It's no more there. Okay, then click on your pick tool. So to take this you can see the line that is like walking, little ant walking around the image. To take it off, you click on Ctrl D on your keyboard to take it off. Okay, that is it. You can see, so this background here is our first background. We can take this off. I want to change this background here now. Okay, so there are different ways of putting background on your image. Okay, let me show you one method. You come to your rectangle tool. We have different shapes here: rectangle tool, round rectangle tool, ellipse tool. So we're going to make use of this rectangle tool. So you click on it. So click on your canvas, click and drag and drag. You can see, yes, click and drag it. I have black color. Okay, I have black color here. Okay, so that is why black color is showing here. So for me to change this black color, I will click on this black color here. I'm going to double click it, that is, tap it twice first, then I'll change it to any color that I want. You can see, then click on OK. All right, then I'll click on my move tool to highlight my objects. I'm going to increase it, to let it cover the A4 paper. That is my canvas, to cover it. Okay, this is one way of putting background on your canvas. Okay, just hit on this check mark here. Okay, so the second way of putting background on your image, let me delete it first. You come here. Okay, you come here, you come to this panel, just click on it, click on this and click on solid color, then choose any color of your choice, then click on OK. So this is it. It is very easy, it is not difficult. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having a kind of thin line. Look here, a kind of thin line around this my image. Just click here and take this off. Thin line around my image. Okay, so let it not give you any worries. I'm going to show you how to remove it. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of you click here, polygonal lasso tool. Okay, I'll click on it. Okay, I will click on it, just click around it. Okay, just click, and I will join it here. You can see that when I put it on the start point, it will change to 0. You can see it's changing to 0 by the icon. Then I'll release my hand. I'll click on delete on my keyboard. The reason why it brought out this message again, if you look to the right here on the canvas, you can see where it is highlighted. This means that I'm working on the background. Okay, but it is the image that I am actually working on. So what I I'll click on OK. Then I will highlight my image. Okay, I will highlight my image. Then I will click on delete now on my keyboard. You can see that the thin line has disappeared. Okay, and then I will also click on Ctrl D to remove all this line, or these dotted lines that are moving like ants. Ctrl D on my keyboard. So I'm still having this thin tiny line in this other side, so I'm still using my polygonal lasso tool. So I will click around it again to take off these lines from it, just in case you clicked wrongly. Okay, like I clicked here, I'm not supposed to click here, I'm supposed to continue like this. You click on backspace on your keyboard to take it back. Backspace. Okay, to take it back, you can see I have clicked on the line, which I'm not supposed to do. So click on backspace. Okay, that is it, and I will join it here and click on delete on my keyboard, then click on Ctrl D to remove the dotted lines. So here it is. So another thing I want to show you, as I was working, I zoomed the paper, right? Okay, so for you to zoom your worksheets, you click on Ctrl and plus on your keyboard to zoom in your canvas. Okay, then click on Ctrl minus, all right, to zoom out. Ctrl minus on your keyboard. Okay, so that is it. That is all we have for this lesson. Next lesson, I'm gonna be showing you another method of trimming picture. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to teach you another method of trimming picture. All right, so see you.